Hello and welcome to My Finance Teacher on YouTube. Today is 18th of December 2017 and looks like gold has printed its intermediate cycle low at the price just below $1,240 per ounce, and that happened on the 12th of December, 12/12/2017. It is possible though that a lower low will still be created below 1240. However, it is more likely, in my opinion, that the cycle low has been printed and we're going to go higher over the next several months, probably 3 or 4 months. Now let's have a look at some more details of why I think the cycle low has been printed. Well, if we look at RSI, first of all, we have been close enough to oversold levels on the daily chart. This is 14-day RSI. Additionally, we have created in the latest daily cycle low a lower low, and as we've discussed in many of our previous videos, intermediate cycles usually finish with a daily cycle that creates a lower low. So we have that requirement fulfilled as well in this low printed on the 12th of December. Additionally, compared to the 20-day moving average, on the 12th of December we have been stretched relatively far below the moving average, so it was time for this daily cycle to finish and start a new daily cycle, and most likely a new intermediate cycle as well. When are we going to be sure that the new intermediate cycle has started? Well, when gold breaks through this intermediate cycle downtrend line, that will probably happen close to the price level of 1280 or so. Then we will have a good confirmation that the 12th of December was the intermediate cycle low, and we're going higher over the next several months. And one more factor is that this cycle that started in early July has been going on for over 5 months, close to 5.5 months, and these intermediate cycles usually last for about half a year. So this cycle has been due for a bottom, and we might have got one. So what is going to happen going forward into the future? Well, I think over the next several weeks gold is going to break this downtrend line, and we have a pretty strong resistance zone just above 1300. Let's say at 1300 level there is a resistance zone, and gold might bounce back down from that resistance zone. We are likely to retest the downtrend line, and that will give us a finish of this daily cycle low, which lasts usually for about a month and a half. So that's probably likely to happen somewhere here in the second half of January or slightly later. After that, we'll start a second daily cycle which will push us through the resistance zone at 1300 and take us much higher. How high are we going to go? Let's switch to a weekly chart. This is a weekly chart. If we zoom out a little bit, we will see that we've been in this long-term bear market since 2011, and in the end of 2015 this bear market finished, and since then intermediate cycle lows, generally with one exception so far, give us higher and higher lows. So this is one of the indications that the bear market has finished and we're trending upwards over the long term. However, this trend upwards has not been strong. Gold has been consolidating in this range for nearly 2 years already, and with a consolidation pattern like that, Usually when a breakthrough happens, it is usually a strong one. We are very likely to go up to 1400 level within this next intermediate cycle. I'm not sure if we are going to go as high as 1500, but we can easily go to 1400 over the next, say, 3 or 4 months. Hopefully we are going to break through from this consolidation pattern. So that is my opinion on gold. Share your opinion in the comments below, and don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you for your attention.